Good, y'all. Hey, I already know y'all gonna be on me about that break. But hey, nah, this video that we have here is not really gonna be on like a lecture. Like it's not this specific video is not a lecture. Like this video, ducks and they out and about. But yeah, this is just a little spat right here. This ain't gonna be nothing but it's not gonna be no longer than 10 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna hop right into it. As the world is progressing and we just get further into time, 2020 years, like as we just you know further and as we go further and further on into this, like I don't know if it's 2020, I don't know what that means. All I know is it's 2020 and the world is getting worse and worse and worse, you know what I mean? So, like I said, don't mind these guys. It's just out and about, living life like humans should be. Humans is the only ones that struggle living in how should I say it? Harmony. Like we got animals and insects out here doing with something that we can't. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I just wanted to hop on here and say, always, no matter how bad the world gets, because it's going to get worse before it gets better, and we're in the making of it getting worse. This virus is out here, hopefully it's not airborne. I speak it into existence that it's not airborne. But it's going to get worse before it gets better. And some people just need a little spat like this to listen to. If you feel like giving up in any way, shape, form, or fashion, don't. You have people counting on you. Your purpose is bigger than you. Okay. Anytime I find myself, anytime I find myself getting off track or feeling down because of a specific someone, or my dad, or my mom, or grandma, anybody, anything, it doesn't even have to be a person specifically. Okay. I gotta snap back into gear, get back on your purpose, because like I said, your purpose is bigger than you. Your purpose could go from helping your family all the way down to helping somebody else's little girl, little boy, somebody else's niece, aunt, nephew. It's bigger than you. You have to realize this. You have to put this in your consciousness. Your purpose is bigger than you. So if you feel like giving up, don't. Okay? Your purpose could help me. Okay? I feel like this is one of my purposes, just getting on here and having a little spat with y'all. I'm in nature. I'm just it's a little chilly out here, but you have to live in the moment. Okay? Things are going to get hard. Things are going to go negatively. Things are going to go south. That's just how this earth is. In this life that we live in now, that you're watching this video now, things are going to go south. That's a guarantee, okay? That doesn't give you a reason to stop doing what you're doing, okay? Get on your feet. Keep a level head, okay? Because look, little do you know, a lot of people don't have the strength to do this. A lot of people will not run into, I'm not gonna say a lot of people may not run into this video, but if you're on a verge, like literally, like you see how my finger is just that close to slipping off. If you're that close to giving up and you run across this video and there's some chance that I could stop you from giving up and keeping a level head, then that's worth it. You know what I mean? I want to get out here and just spit some game right quick, because it's better than just sitting in there and not doing the video, correct? So I just want to take every chance that I can to spread positivity and just keep things going and keep things positive. Man, we got Kobe Bryant out here going. We got Juice. We got a lot of people going. It's a lot of bad energy around us that we can't see physically, but it is around us, okay? And in one of the types of negative energies it came up in this virus, you know what I mean? It came up in this virus, and it's here. Keep your hands clean. Cleanliness is a part of power, you know what I mean? It's just something you have to take now, okay? Look at the sky, man. Look at all these fake artificial clouds, you know what I mean? It's just like this world has come, this is the devil's world, man. This world is falling apart, You know what I mean? Slowly. We're nothing but 3 months into 2020, and it's already... What about 8 months into 2020? What about that? How bad is it gonna be then? Okay? Expect the unexpected, keep a level head, and don't give up. Your purpose is bigger than you. Okay? And I'm out.